Alright, y'all, so the unit I'll be rocking today is Love Me. They sent some goodies with the wig as usual. This is their Gold Natural Breathable Cap, Natural Bouncy Fluffy Jerry Curly Glueless 5x5 closure unit. Look at the closure. It looks so good. It's so thin. It's so seamless. Like, it is literally beautiful. It is a breathable cap. It has an elastic band, adjustable straps in the back, and the unit is super full. But get into this lace. I'm trying to show y'all how thin the lace is and my camera can't even pick it up. But you already know I have to put it on my head just to see what it gives. And this is it straight out the packaging. But yeah, it's a really, really beautiful unit. As y'all can see, the lace looks really natural, looks really thin, seamless, beautiful. But I am going to apply some lace tinting spray so that the lace matches my skin tone. I love me a good 5x5. Look at all of that space. It has a lot of parting space. I did get some of the lace tinting spray in the hair. Just ignore that. I'll wipe it out later on. So I'm going to go ahead and pin it back. I did cut the lace off camera. The lace is super easy to cut. I am going to use my natural hairline since this is a closure. So I'm just combing down my baby hairs. And then I'm going to take this LUVME hairspray and I'm going to lay the unit down. You can apply glueless, but y'all know I don't do no glueless. Okay? I need my wig secured. I'll go ahead and put on my elastic band. And I left this on for about 30 minutes, I believe. I don't know. I was doing some other stuff. And then when I went ahead and take it off, I just combed the hair back out of the way of the lace so I can like see my hairline, make sure it looks nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swoop around my edges with some edge control. You can make edges out of the closure, but it's just not needed for me. So I'm just going to get my natural hairline together, and then next it's time for me to work on the unit. So I'm just going to go ahead and fluff it out. I want to wear it big. I'm not going to apply any water because I don't want it to like lose its body because it will elongate. So I'm just going to fluff it out with my fingers and then cut and shape as I go. It's already come shaped, but you know, you have to shape it to your face. And the back was a little bit too long for my liking, so I'm just gathering it here and I'm going to cut it. I know it's going to look like I'm cutting my hands. I don't know why I look like that because my hands were out the way, but whatever. So I'm just cutting that and it just looks a lot more even and better. After I finish my shape, I put my makeup on and I'm just kind of like running my brush across the lace so it looks like really seamless, really natural. You know, I got to get that together. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some concealer to the part. I didn't add no black spray, only concealer, because this unit is actually kind of like, it's dark, but it's not super dark. It's kind of like more brownish than black, but you can always dye it if you want your wig to be darker. I don't mind this color. I think it looks really nice. And this is me wiping some of the lace tinting spray out, but I got a little highlight. It's all good. I'm not tripping. So I'm just going to go ahead and fluff it out. Add a little bit of wax stick to my flyaways. The part looks so natural. Like, it looks so good. It's laying so flat. Like, and I love this because it looks so nice, like, over my locks because it's not bulky. And then I am going to add a little bit of mousse, but not too much because I don't want to weigh the hair down. This is how it turned out. Looks so good, super full. I did miss a few pieces in the back, but it's all good. I'll get them later. It still looks really, really cute, and it's curly hair. Look at the lace, so I'm not tripping off of it. My edges look really nice. This is more up close so y'all can get into the vibe. You can make this even bigger if you want to fluff it out bigger. It can definitely go bigger, but I want to try a few different styles, so I went ahead and pinned it back with clips. I do this style a lot with my locks, so I was like, let me see how it would look on this wig, and it actually look really, really cute, and I really like how it is turning out. Yes, fluff, fluff. Get into that thing, get into that thing. I love a short, curly, natural hair wig. Like, it just looks so cute, so adorable. For a little razzle dazzle, I'm like, let me go ahead and add some butterfly clips because I just think it's so cute. It's summertime, you know, let's spice up the look. And it just turned out so cute, and they're gold, and I love them. Cute. Okay, you guys, so as you guys know, this unit is from Love Me. So I recently reviewed a new unit from them. I love the units. They have some of the best units in the game. I already know I had to bring y'all a natural hair wig. I haven't worn a natural hair wig in a minute, but I'm back. Okay, so this is their Go Natural Ease Breathable cap, natural bouncy, fluffy, jerry curly, glueless, 5x5 closure wig is ready to wear. So I absolutely love that. So it is a 5x5 closure, so you have a lot of space here. Y'all know I love a good closure because I can have my natural hairline out. Y'all see that? I have my natural hairline out, and it looks like it's giving very much so natural, giving very much so sewing vibe. So I absolutely love that. This unit does come in 14 inches. Let me see what the density is because I'm not sure, but it's full. Yeah, it's 150 density, so it's really, really nice and full. I love that. You can definitely wet this unit down. I wanted to wear this unit in a more afro state because that's the vibe I'm looking for. Like, it's summertime. Like, this is going to be cute with, like, sundresses and things like that. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and try this. I love how the lace is super, super thin. It's really easy to apply. You can apply this unit glueless, but y'all know I don't do no glueless applications because I got to make sure my wig is snug and secure. Because I don't play that because, you know, when I'm out, I don't want to have no issues. But I love me a closure because it's just so much easier to wear. It's a lot more comfortable. And for those of you that, like, if you still are loose natural, you could even put, like, your hair out in the front and put the closure, like, towards the back and blend your natural hair in so it'll look even more natural. So you could definitely do that with this unit. But I really love this unit. It's really bomb, really pretty. Y'all see I add some little hair accessories. You can definitely do half up, half down with this unit. Y'all saw how I pinned it back. Y'all, I just did a little bit of shape into the unit for my liking because it was a little bit too long on the neck area for me. So I did go ahead and, oh, I missed a spot. So I did go ahead and shape that up a bit, but I didn't do nothing to the front because I feel like it's giving a very cute heart shape. They did a big one on this cut. I really love this cut. I don't have any complaints about this unit, y'all. It's a 10 out of 10, A plus. Definitely get this unit. Super affordable, super full. Like, y'all know I love a good natural hair wig, and this unit is doing it. And it's a closure. You ain't got to worry about the side tabs. And if you're locked like me, like, you could switch it up and have your natural hair. Like, this is like, I love wigs like this because it's like when I'm traveling and stuff, like if I need a quick switch up, I could just bring this unit, put it on, and I'm out the door. So I absolutely love that. But yeah, I love a natural hair wig. Like, don't play with it, don't play with it. It's the perfect length, the perfect density. This is for my natural hair girlies. Like, y'all gonna love this. For real, when y'all want to give y'all natural hair a break and y'all don't want to manipulate it, but you still want to wear your natural tresses or make it look like you're wearing your natural tresses, definitely get this unit. You can obviously brush it out and make it a lot bigger, or you can also, like I said, put some moisturizer in it, leave-in conditioner, and it will, like, elongate. But yes, y'all, I love this unit. Love me. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Get this unit. Do not sleep. Make sure y'all check out Love Me. Everything about them will be in the description box below. I absolutely love this unit. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.